Happy November, everyone. I want to thank everyone for earning points on Live School in October. We didn't have the entire month to rack up points, but I am in awe of how many points you've earned so far. I wanted to do some shout outs before we get to our gift card winner. The top teachers that have been awarding points for 6th grade is Mrs. Landault. So way to go, Mrs. Landault. For 7th grade, we have Mrs. Payne. And for 8th grade, Dr. T. Thank you, teachers, so much for putting in those points. It's awesome to see that you guys are our top rewarders. So keep putting those out there. For our top students, we have Lyron Friesen from 8th grade. He has earned the most points for 8th grade. In 7th grade, we have Kylie Robinson, and in 6th grade, Aiden Dagan. So way to go. Keep up the great participation and doing everything that you can to be the best student that you can. This will really help for the second quarter to make sure your grades are on top. So to go ahead with our drawing, I'm going to do something a little bit silly here. I have all of our names of students who put in for the gift card. So congratulations to all of you for earning enough points to do so. And I am just going to scroll through. I'm going to close my eyes, and wherever I stop on after 5 seconds, you are the winner. So at home, go ahead and start off with a drum roll. Here we go. And our winner is Naomi. All right. 7th grade Naomi. Way to go, Naomi. I will be in contact with your gift card. For October, it is going to be $10 to Five Guys. Awesome. Keep earning those points, everyone.